Well, listen, boys, seeing that you guys are speaking about skincare needs, we are proud to announce that Woolworths has deservingly been awarded top honours in the Private Label Manufacturers Association's 2020 International Salute to Excellence Awards. Now, Woolworths trading head for groceries, household, pets and personal care, Rahim Hussain, joins us to chat about how their products stood out amongst 550 products across 23 countries, judged in this year's competition that recognises innovation and quality in food and non-food products. Rahim, congratulations to you and the team.
Thank you so much.
We obviously know that Woolworths is committed to innovation and sustainability, so it's obvious that you guys are awarded for such amazing work that you guys do. But tell us a bit more about the award and what this means to you and the team and how this goal was achieved.
Thank you so much. A very good morning to our viewers. I think, at the outset, when you think about the Woolworths brand, you immediately go to market-leading product, a brand that's rooted in sustainability and those unrivaled quality credentials that our business is founded on. That really is difference. I think at the very outset, almost 4 years ago, we began this journey reimagining what our personal care and our earth-friendly ranges could be. And together with our partners, we set out to really redevelop and redesign this range. Fast forward to 2020, we've developed more than 200 personal care products and literally 30 earth-friendly products for every need state of your home. I think at the very outset, we wanted to be clear that it needed to be steeped in our foodie credentials. We wanted to be inspired by nature, and we wanted to really produce some world-class products. So we set out and we worked with some of the leading world fragrance houses. We spent serious time looking at our formulations and thinking about what we put in and what we take out, and designed a set of brand values that would be our guiding force as we move forward. I think what was really, really great was to see the response from the customers and the market, and I think that's what set us apart. That real end-to-end approach that set us apart on that global stage to give us these 4 awards. So just, really amazing accolade.
I love that, and I love the products always contains, raw and just sustainable ingredients. Tell us a bit more about the benefits for the customers, but also for the environment.
Yeah, I think, at the outset, to receive this global recognition, coming up against 70 other retailers, private label manufacturers across 23 countries, really just set the tone for, what we achieved and these incredible 4 awards. It is also just testament and affirmation of, the work that we're doing, that our brands can stand, the Woolworths brand can stand tall against some of the global brands that exist. And, at the very outset, we needed to be clear, like I said, around the brand values. We thought about what do we want in our products and what do we want to take out. It needed to be good for me, good for my family, and good for the environment. And certainly we started with removing harsh chemicals, so no parabens, no sulfates. All of our product is BWC accredited, so from a beauty without cruelty point of view. All of our extracts, our RSPO is certified. Every extract that we used in there was responsibly sourced. And when we looked at our earth-friendly ranges, we really took it a step further to make sure it was non-toxic. It was, formulated with plant-based ingredients and really set a different tone for the market. And I think that just talks to the lens we go behind the scenes to really offer our customers that Woolworths difference.
I love that. And then also, if you take a closer look at the packaging, everything is 100% recyclable. Absolutely. Why was this also such an important factor for Woolworths to incorporate in their products?
I think everything is anchored in our good business journey. As a business, we've made these commitments around reduction of packaging, making sure our recyclability is in place, and really just measuring our impact on the environment and on landfill. And as such, if you bring it closer to home, these products really set the trend in what we're doing. If we look at some of our earth-friendly credentials, as you mentioned, 100% recyclable, but also the first ranges in a cleaning space to take that green PE, so sugarcane base to produce some of these packaging. We took it one step further and really went above and beyond to include post-consumer recycled content into the packaging, and that is anything from 25% to 50% content. We went as far as looking at our triggers to be first to market, to remove all metal from our triggers and making sure that our packaging is biodegradable. Our formulations are really grey water safe, non-toxic. So really just that full holistic picture from an environment point of view and from a sustainability point of view. And really exciting that our baby ranges will follow the same ethos that will launch early next year. And I think towards the end of January next year, we'll make some big announcements on another packaging feat as we move forward. Yeah.
We are here for all of that, but I can't have you here without putting you on the spot. What is your best product from the personal skincare range, and maybe just how it contributes to your lifestyle and just incorporating this in your everyday?
Yeah.
No pressure.
I think my personal indulgence in that is definitely our face masks. I've absolutely loved that product, and in particular the foot masks that have won these global accreditation. It really brings that, that salon experience into your home, into the safety and security of your space, and it's really indulgent. It's, it has extracts of peppermint in it. It's got coconut extracts and really active ingredients that leave your feet feeling nourished, hydrated, and smelling great. So really one of my favorites is that foot mask. Another really award winner is this, cuticle oil. We talked about form and function and really spending time on design and thinking about the application. So this, some of the PLMA judges and an international panel commented about the ease of use, really form, fit for factor. It has jojoba oil extracts in there with some sunflower seed oil, as well as vitamin E to leave your cuticles looking really amazing. So, yeah, a really great product.
I want to talk about the other winners as well. Why do you think it's so important for people to incorporate, the all-in-one baby laundry pods, the all-in-one dishwash pods, all of these into their lifestyle as well? Because these are all winners, may I add as well.
Absolutely. So, I mean, our dishwasher, our Cucumber and Jasmine, really a winner, all-in-one laundry pods, and they're really clean formulations. And I think, incredible 99%. So we've included our bacteria, antibac properties into this, really just dialing into that COVID state. And there's loads of exciting product. I think my personal favorites has to be the laminate floor cleaner, this bergamot and jasmine fragrance that leaves your home smelling absolutely amazing. And I think one of our hidden secrets, is that pre-soak cookware. In those heavy cook-ups where the cleaning is more work than the cook-up, that is absolutely amazing. I think it is my little tool in the arsenal to drop in there and make that cleanup really easy.
Rahim, thank you so much for your time again. Congratulations on the milestone to you and the team at Woolworths. What an amazing achievement. Also, the Woolworths commitment to sustainability aims to meaningfully contribute to the health and well-being of its customers, while also offering cutting-edge innovation at everyday value. It's not seen as standalone work, but it is an integral part of their everyday business. It, underpins what they do and how exactly they approach innovation, design, sourcing, manufacturing, and the retailing of the award-winning and recognized products, and we are here for it. So again, congratulations to you and the Woolworths team.
Thank you so much. Really great to be here.